The biggest thing I can take away from Winterim is the ability to adapt. We started with a big plan that was unachievable, but then moved to a smaller scale.
So one of the biggest takeaways that I got from Winterim was really that we could have hiccups, but like the thing that you should think about afterwards is how do you recover from it and how can you make this experience the best experience that you could have.
Just being social, talking to people around you, finding out how they came to be where they are, and being a senior, it's just really interesting to see people who were once my age grow and pursue what they really love.
So I'm an anthropology major, so this was like a totally new experience for me, and I wouldn't have gotten this type of like in-depth business education in just 1 week if I hadn't done Winterim.
It was really nice to work with a team of people I had never met before, making that relationship work, researching. It was probably the most powerful thing for me since they knew nothing about Rwanda, but they decided to go with the project anyway. It's something I really appreciated.
All these people started, from basically nothing and grew their business into something great, and that was just very admirable to see, and just very generous of them to, give us these tools to pursue that as well. I am very grateful for this opportunity. That was amazing.